Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings, and to do that press the Crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it, and once you're in settings find the option called sound and tap on it, of course. And here we have a couple types of volume. We have ring volume, notification volume, alarm volume, and we have also media volume and call volume, and we can adjust them all by simply tapping on the plus and minus icons next to the volume slider. So adjust the volumes to your liking. The call volume gets a lot louder than others. Interesting. Okay, and once you're done adjusting, you can simply press the Crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the sound volume or adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.